Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have 2011-12 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this one it will work for Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, all the car with this key. Actually, this car is supposed to have a push button proximity 2011-12, and they have a little bit of change. This is the key. How this key work? The key have to go inside the ignition switch, which is here. They call it wind module, and the wind module is look like something like this. By the way, if you change this wind module, you have to change the key also with it. It will not work. It consider the key used from the other car, lock into the other car, unless you unlock the key, but it will not work. Okay, can I put a used one? Yes. If you put a used one, you will be able to unlock it and reprogram it again using a tool like this one here. It's possible sometime. Now, what we have here, this is example of the key. Now, some car 2011-12 Jeep, they have something like a proxy system that you can start the car by push button. There is a push button here, and that one, it has something like this, which is on the right side of the blue motor in the top corner, and this one, it receive the buttons from outside, the push buttons, and all the frequency to start the car remote. Like when you come from outside, you push, you hold the door handle, it will send signal here to open the door, lock and unlock, and also startability. Anytime you add a car, you have to do a proxy between this one and the key so that it will work. Some car have it, some car they don't have it. So let's go ahead now. We have one extra key we need to program. So I'm gonna go to Emo. On the Emo, accept, and when you accept it, you're gonna go by VIN, auto detect, this is max 608. You see, just take your time. Right now the car is running, but when the time comes, you don't need the car to run. Smart key, blade key, fabric key. I'm gonna say fabric key 2011. I say okay. Keyless entry slot, say keyless entry. Turn ignition off and on again. I don't want to make mistake. I can go to auto detect. That's more better. Let me turn the. This is my 9069. That's the password. What do you need to do? Go to Emo Starter. If there is a programming key, please make sure the ignition is on, the engine is off. It's true. Okay, here we have a scanning system. You see this car, maybe it has or not. You see passive entry module. This is one. This one, they call it PEM, passive entry module, which this car, it has it. We have a engine control module. It has 7 codes. It's better to delete all the codes if you want. If it's not, don't touch it if you don't want the car go into hesitation or anything. So now add a key. I will go to add a key. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. You say learning programming key, you have to finish erase key first. I don't know why it does that. Key numbers. A check pin code has been saved. Do you want to read it? No, I don't want to read it, the pin. Skip it. Please insert the key to be programmed and turn the ignition on. Make sure the engine is off. Current number of keys is 8. Do you want to continue learning? Oh my goodness. So look here. You have 8 keys. You may not be able to learn X-ray key, honestly, because the slot are 8. The guy have 8 keys. So what you need to do, go back, erase those keys first. Go say all key loss is better, because you cannot put 9 keys. I gotta remove all the keys first, because 8 keys is too much. See? No. Put in your consideration that current number of key 8. Are you sure you erase all? Yes. I don't need no key. Say okay. So okay. Then you program the keys, so you can put 1 and 2 keys. You hear the ding 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 is gone. No keys now. Please insert the key to be programmed and turn the ignition on. Make sure the engine is off. Your current key. Now I'm gonna program the same key. Hopefully it's gonna take it. It will take it because it is from the same car, like I just disabled it. If it doesn't take it, I have no problem. I'm gonna program another one. Current number of the key is 1. Learning successful. Do you want to learn another key? I say yes. So take this one out, put it here, and put this one inside. Turn the ignition on. You must do this anytime you feel like there's a lot of keys. But if keys are, some cars, like if the keys require 2 keys, don't do that if you have only 1 key. Like Ford, if you erase all the keys, you must have 2 keys to enable the programming. You see now there, it's gonna take some time. You see now here he say, number of the key 2, learning key successful. Do you want to program another key? I will say no. Successful, successful. Now here is done. I'm gonna go back, turn the key off. My car start. Door lock, unlock, walk. But now there is one thing you have to do. What are we gonna do now? We have to go back and do a proxy alignment. Go to Immo Learning. Immobilize the car. Or, no, not this one. Key match, keyless go, keyless go, or key matching. You see passive entry mode, synchronize of the key smart, not lockout mode. Don't do this. Go to this. Ignition on, engine off is true. That is the number, yes. If you have a used one, it may not work for you. Okay, now I'm gonna go through communication. Establish vehicle communication. You can read some information here too. Synchronize successful. He give you some information here why you sync. They call it passive entry mode, lockout reset. Make sure the ignition is turned on and the engine is off. Enter the 4-digit, wait for the success. This system is applicable to following vehicle model with the fabric key: 300, 2008, 11, 3C, all those cars. So if you have one of those car, Commander with the passive entry, say okay, close this one here, and okay. So I'm done with this. Escape. Now you can go and clear the code if you want. You want to see what code is there. Thermostat, auto sensor, slow response. I'm going to clear those codes. Yes. Yes. On the newer cars, you cannot clear the codes. Okay, go back now, see wind control module, which is a fuse, this one here maybe. No, key not program, invalid key, remote keyless. You see like entry performance, 8 fabric. That's too much. So I'm gonna clear it. We learn from here that we have 2 components with the key in order for it to work. When we change the wind module, we have to get rid of the 2 keys, which we don't use them again anymore. You see here, and this will not come out unless it's in the ignition. So we have only one code, C1508, tire pressure sensor internal. I'm gonna escape it. Do we have any code again? No. I'm gonna go escape this. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you for being with us.